Welcome back to the channel, guys. What's good? Today we'll be unboxing two new products. Now let's get into it. So we have a 3-in-1 wireless microphone for video recordings, vlogs, TikToks, YouTube, interview, you name it. This microphone is able to do the job. We also have a 4K Ultra HD digital camera, can be used for photography. That's 48 megapixels and it's perfect for vlogging on YouTube. There's a maximum resolution of 48.0 MP. It has autofocus, flash lamp, anti-shake, 16 times zoom, beauty face as well, face detection. So it's pretty versatile if you ask me. It's manufactured by Shenzhen Sonida Digital Technology. And this video is in no way sponsored, so Shenzhen, what you waiting on to get the deal on? So let's get into it, guys. So we'll be unboxing the camera first. So we get two manuals, one quick operational and one detailed user manual. So this one is the user manual, the details. So as per usual, when we get anything new, we read the manual to ensure that we have everything. We also get a USB charger head, 6 volts. Yeah. In this, we also get a battery charging stand, and it's pretty versatile. Alright, so in this accessory box, we have a few great stuff inside. So let's open and see. Let's see what's inside. So we have a carry strap to put on the camera. We got a 32 gigabit SD card. We got a Type-C cable. This is it. Pretty universal. HDMI cable, the lens cap so we can keep our lens safe, keep the quality over quantity, and we have our two batteries. So if you go out, your camera the battery won't die on you. You'll be able to carry out your business as per usual. So next up, the meat of the matter, the camera. Check part 2 for the unboxing of the microphone. So let's get into it. Alright, so the camera comes in a carrying bag. Silk material, pretty safe. Lens safe, screen safe. So it has a 3-inch 180 degrees flip screen, perfect for vloggers, as I said. So if you're vlogging and you want to see the face, you can just turn it around so you can see everything. Yeah, those buttons there are pretty self-explanatory. Here we go. So that's the 180 flip. 16 times zoom, as I said before. Pretty versatile camera. So this is the carrying bag. Silky, feels a little silky inside, soft cotton. This is us putting the cap over the lens, and this is what we use to clean the lens to ensure that the quality is always good. So up next, we'll be doing the review on the features and how to use the camera, how to set it up, and all those good stuff. Welcome back to the channel, guys. What's good? So let's move on now to the wireless microphone. So it's a pretty concise summary. It's plug and play. 65 meters of accessible reception, so you can be 65 meters away from it, and it's still pretty accessible. Precise radio, clear timbre, high sensitive, and widely compatible. And as soon as we get into it, you will understand exactly what I'm saying. So this is our warranty card. So we scan that barcode to activate our warranty. Very important, guys. Our user manual, we read this before we attempt to use it or attempt to set it up or anything. We can understand all the knicks-knacks of the product. Now, this is our Type-C cable. So, Type-C. We also have our 2 clip-on microphone. But this here in the center is our connector. So we can see that we have 3 different connections on it. And in the review video, we will be showing you guys how to set this up and how it works actually, so you will understand. This is the Type-C and that is the iOS part over there. So now to the 2 clip-ons, pretty versatile. Just clip it on the person who is speaking's clothes. It has a small power button at the back. Now these buttons are used to turn the devices on and off. So the mics are known as the transmitters, and the centerpiece there is known as the receiver. So now we remove the blue tape to allow the devices to communicate, as you guys are seeing right there. This is just a close-up view of the clip that we attach to the back of each mic and attach to the speaker's clothes. So this is how we attach that clip. Just a close-up view there, and we can see the port that we use to charge the mic right there. Just a close-up view again. So just take a look at all these 3 devices. As I said before, the 2 mics are known as the transmitters, and the centerpiece is known as the receiver, and all of them has the power button being displayed there. So these are all the goodies that we got in this small box. Surprised to see how this small box fits so much products, but that is it. Check out our next video of us reviewing all these products and showing you guys how to set it up. See you guys in the next video. Peace out.